1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, Ric Flair, baby, woo! We going back to the OG intro. You not gonna buy the dip, and then you gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me, and I'm not having that. So if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Oh yeah, this is live, baby, but let's get into it as if we just going straight to it and get right to the point. This video, I want you to understand, is brought to you by the Public Investing app. This is not financial advice, but this is a sponsored video. You get up to $73 and free stocks on me. Let's get it. Hit the Public Investing app. The link is in the description. The link is right up here, family. We done with this payment for order flow stuff. We not trying to feed these hedge funds. You already know what time it is, but let's get right to the facts. So first of all, we're going to talk about AMC in this video. We're going to talk about Neo Day in this video, which is coming up on the 18th of December. So if you're rolling in now, I want you to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe if you have not done so already. Let everybody know in the chat where you from. Now, let's get to it. First banger on the list, again, we got Amc Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. So we see that it's down 29 cents on the day. Or actually, not even on the day. It's down 29% on the month, which has shaken some people out of it. Look at this. We basically down 7% on the week. You know what? Some people, well, actually, we up 7% on the week. Why? Family, because we ran up like crazy today. But let's get straight to where we ran up today. Look at this. 19% in one day. When I did the live earlier, appreciate you for the super chat, family. When I did the live stream earlier, family, people was, oh man, they was getting the paper hands and they wanted to sell out. But guess what? I told you, you got to believe in yourself and you got to believe in the apes. But again, I will never tell you to buy, hold, or sell. I give you the facts and you be the judge. We up 19% on a day and we're up 103 in the after hours, family. Come on now. This thing absolutely was on a rocket, straight up rocket. Now, you know what's going on? Check this out, family. And we've been talking about this for like a month, that something like this was going to impact AMC so heavily. Check this out. They said, and this is Adam Aaron, he said, just staggering Spidey numbers, staggering. 1.1 million people watched Spider-Man at an AMC theater in the U.S. yesterday. You know why that's important, family? 1.1 might not mean anything to you, but I want you to understand this. I appreciate you for the love, big dog. Always showing love. Much love. Hold up. Let's get it. Now, check me out. This is why that number is important. Because 1.1 million, maybe that means nothing to you. But check this. They said that this is the biggest AMC opening day gross for December ever. For December ever. Not December in 2020s, not December in the 2010s and the 2000s. Family, ever. In the entire history of AMC, this is the biggest opening for December ever. Keep in mind, we're in a pandemic. Keep in mind, every time you turn around, there's a new variant of some sort. Now, let's check it out. They said it's the second biggest opening at AMC of all time. The biggest one-day sales for 2020 and 2021. Family, come on now. Let's get it. Let's go. I love to see it. Now, check this out. He went in on more detail on it. Rotten Tomatoes audience, and this is Adam Aaron from AMC, right? And he said this. He said they got a score of 99% on Rotten Tomatoes. Family, there's a lot of haters over there. But guess what? They not even hating. So they doing is promoting the movie. But let's keep it going. They said, meanwhile, and again, this is important because you got to watch out for who your sources are. Meanwhile, right? Check this out. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little better. Meanwhile, hold up. Meanwhile, stupid. Check this out. Mainstream media. Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance. Mainstream media, right? They writing like the movie theaters are dead. That they're dead. And isn't it convenient for conventional wisdom, right? When the facts make mincemeat of the doomsday pessimism, family. The doomsday pessimism. Said, Kenan, you rock. I appreciate you, baby. Let's get it. Much love, much respect. And he said, you know what? The facts are the facts. And you can't argue with that. The facts is just straight up facts, and it is what it is. Now, I want to give a shout out to some of the family on the Discord. If you have not joined the Discord, which I want you to understand, just know, family, I had to, again, straight up, let me go over here again. I had to open up more spots again on the Discord because after the live stream that I did earlier, which they tried to demonetize, but I'm trying to refute it, guess what? Again, the one that they canceled on me and they tried to get me out of here and then I had to go live again because of that, family, just know, I'm fighting getting demonetized. But check this out. They didn't even tell me why. They're not even telling me why. I had to open up more spots on the Discord. So I opened up more spots in there because there's a lot of people that's joining. And with that in mind, I want to give some love and some respect to some of the family that just tagged me on the Discord on some heat that they are running. We learn how to run options, and then hold up. Let's see. Let's get this light on, see if it's dead. Is it dead? Yeah, that light's, it's a wrap. It's a wrap for that light. But it is what it is. Hold up. Hey, it is what it is. But check it out. Again, if you ain't joined the Discord, you go ahead and do so. The link is in the description. Check it out. And again, I appreciate y'all for jumping in there and showing support. Because when they try to cancel me on YouTube, when they try to get me out of here and demonetize the videos or cut my live stream short, coincidentally, out of nowhere, y'all got my back. Always. And I want to give a shout out to the people who are in the Discord who have taken the time to either learn how to do options from the options class, or you just picking up game and plays from other members. Shout out to my guy, Merc. He just made a quick, he said what? He just tagged me in the receipts. He said he made 214%. And again, this is a play that he ran, and I want to salute you for that. AMC just made a lot of money on that. And these are Discord members that just showed me what they was doing. Another guy, he just showed me, this is my guy DJ. He said he made 114. I want to celebrate you and salute you, family. And oh man, Jay Cardio, he said this. He said he made what? 795% on a total return. But come on now, I love to see it, family. And again, I gotta just give y'all some love and salute. Appreciate y'all. Much love. Discord family, I appreciate y'all. But let's keep it going. Let's get to the facts. Now, check it out. And again, if you want to learn how to do options, and one thing that I really have to teach you, family, is how to do the technical analysis, which is going to come up in the options class for part 6. So if any of you want, and I'm on part 4 right now, but in time, I'm going to get to options class 5 and then 6. And then I'm going to show you how to do the technical analysis. And we're going to break it down. Whether you don't know how to do options or you don't know how to do technical analysis, family, you already know what time it is. Discord family, listen, I'm going to update you and I'm going to just let you and teach you so you can learn how to fish. You know what they say. If you give a man a fish, he eat for a day. But you teach him to fish, he eat for a lifetime. And that's what I'm all about. But let's get it. Shout out to the Discord family. If you in here, family, I'm telling you this. My dogs, let me know you in here. Let's get it. But check this out, family. Now, I've been talking about this too, and particularly what to do with Spider-Man and AMC. And the question is this: is AMC a profitable company? And the answer is no. But check this out. AMC reported revenue in Q3. And again, I give you the facts. I keep it real, I keep it raw. I give it straight to the facts, and I let you be the judge. Now, Q3, they hit 763 million, which was up significantly from, and you know I got the receipts, from basically 119 million just in the last year. So family, they just went crazy with that. You see what I'm saying? But again, AMC, they said, and this was in November when they said this, and now we're getting to see that Spider-Man is doing such crazy numbers that The Matrix is coming out too, and that hasn't even happened yet. But check this out. AMC is set to return to free cash flow or profitability. Family, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. We love it. I love to see it. Now, how do they do that? Let's go to what they said before, because we've been talking about this, but now we're starting to see the puzzle pieces fall in line, right? Like Tetris, family. Come on now. Check this out. AMC's profitability hangs in the balance, but guess what? The domestic box office needs to top $2 billion in quarter 4. But so far, family, so good. Now, check this out. And you know they got to hate, too. They said AMC is hoping that sales in the box office reaches $5.2 billion, and they said, here's why this is a big ask, right? They're saying this is a big ask. Let me move this over so you can see it. Right? This is CNBC saying this, right? First of all, they said, oh yeah, this is all they need. And then boom, they try to move the goalpost and everything like that. But remember, they're saying it's a big ask, like it's too much to ask. But guess what? Guess what? If it's so much to ask, guess what? Spider-Man don't think so, because they just got the biggest opening in December of any movie that ever came out in December. So that's crazy. So what are they talking about, right? Now, let's get to some of the numbers. Check this out. On the day, AMC went from 23 all the way up to 30. All the way up to 30. Family, if you ain't hit the like button, please do so. Let's grow that like button, baby. Let's get it. Now, let's keep talking about it. They got to 23 and went all the way up to 30. Look at the volume. The volume was going crazy at 144, which was multiple times of what the normal volume is, family. And notice, now that AMC is only a $14 billion company at this point, it will be very easy for it to double, because AMC was in the past a $30 billion company plus, because of all of the movements this year. We love to see it. And you know what? If you an ape that we left in the $72 range, family, we trying to come back and get you. You know what time it is. But let's keep it going. Check this out. They're saying that Spider-Man yanks AMC stock 19%. We knew what time it was. We knew what time it was. They said AMC soared, Spider-Man, blah, blah, blah. AMC is ready to make a comeback. Let me tell you, this is Market Watch. This is Reuters. This is Benzinga. 5 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 27 minutes ago. Family, we've been talking to this. We've been talking about this. We've been talking about how Spider-Man was going to impact AMC. And you know I got the receipts. I got the videos still up, unless they try to take them down. But you know what time it is, baby. Market Watch, behind the 8 ball. Reuters, behind the 8 ball. Benzinga, behind the 8 ball. How is anybody going to benefit from this? How is anybody going to benefit from this when you telling us after the fact? You got to get in before it happens, but let's keep it going. I want y'all to notice some key points. And if you watched my video yesterday, guess what? You would have known what the floor was on AMC. Why? I got the receipts again, baby. Round of applause. Round of applause. Oh yeah, clap it up. What's the receipts? The receipts is this. The floor was 23. I told you, if you seen a video from yesterday I did on AMC, I said, look, we got some support at 28. But look at this, the bottom, that's what the floor is, 23. And guess what happened today? Look at this, the low of today, 23.66. Boom, you got to come with the receipts. Somebody said, well, my notepad at, bop, bop, bop. You know what time it is, baby. You know what time it is. Again, I'm telling you, I want you to learn how to do the technical analysis so you can see these things coming yourself. Now, let's get over to NEO Day very quickly. Check it out. NEO is currently $29. It's down basically 0.5% totally on the whole day. Let's go and see what we might want to just see what's going on. So check it out. Check it out. NEO Day could jolt NEO stock to life while threatening Tesla Model 3 in China. Right? And they said this. NEO is poised to unleash its newest electric vehicle, one that could threaten Tesla. Right? And again, we want to see what happens. NEO Day is tomorrow. It's tomorrow, straight up. Now, they said that it's kickstarting NEO stock back to life. Straight up. Okay, let's see what we could expect. Because remember, it's tomorrow. But here we go. They said this. This is the 5th NEO Day. Not the 1st, not the 2nd, not the 3rd, not the 4th, but the 5th, baby. The 5th NEO Day, and it's December 18th. Right? And then they said that Deutsche Bank, however you pronounce that, I've never heard it said out loud, but I keep it real, I keep it raw. You know what time it is. So, Deutsche Bank, we're going to go with that. Analyst, he said this. He expects the model ET5. It's rumored to be a smaller version of NEO's flagship ET7 electric sedan, which is officially revealed back in January. Okay, so we might get an ET5. But why is that important? Check this out. Check this out. They said that the ET5 will be NEO's most affordable and highest volume electric vehicle yet. That's what the expectation is, family. Come on now. I'm telling you, when the stock is down, but the company is going crazy, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. And they expect the ET5 to outsell its larger counterpart, the ET7. So we can't wait to see that. Now, why? And shout out to Holland. I see you in the building. So why are they saying it's going to outsell it in volume? The ET5 is expected to outsell everything that NEO's been doing because it's believed that it's going to be a $46,000 car in that range. And check this out. It said NEO's existing 3 premium vehicles are SUVs, and then the upcoming ET7 sedan are all priced between $55,000 and $78,000. And a lot of people can't afford that, but they're saying that the ET5, a smaller sedan, is supposed to basically be $60,000. $60,000. We want to hear about that. Another thing that we have not heard about in a long time. You said it's been a while. Hope you've been well, bro. I appreciate you, family. Much love. My guy, Super Trends. All right, let's get it. So check this out. He said this, or investors.com said this. They said, we expect further details on the ET7. We want to hear about it, right? They said the Q1 2022 customer deliveries, right? We expect to hear more about that. But check this out, because we haven't heard much about 2 things in particular. The first thing being expect more details on, this is a new term, and this is why I highlighted it, because NEO didn't say this last time, at least as obvious, right? Check this out. They said the solid state batteries, but they said hybrid solid state batteries. That's a piece of information that you got to keep your eye on. What's going on with that? Because we heard about solid state batteries, but now they're calling it a hybrid solid state battery. Okay. But they're also saying next generation autonomous driving systems. I want to be absolutely clear. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell NEO shares or NEO options. I'm not telling you to do that. I give you the facts and you be the judge. Somebody said, go back and check something else. I will. I got you. Yeah. So They're expected, and again, not the deliveries. I'm not talking about deliveries. They're expected to outperform them. Basically, in volume, highest volume, the ET7 or the ET5. But let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. I want you to see this. We want to hear what's going on with this next generation in autonomous driving on Neo. Straight up. That's what we're looking to hear. Pam, shout out to Pam. I see you, big dog. But now, check this out. Last thing. It says in September, Neo entered the international market to launch the ES8 SUV in Norway. Right? They got to Norway, and then the ET7 sedan will follow in Germany in 2022. So I'm looking forward to that. Straight up. Can't wait to see what happens with it, family. But again, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If you are not already up on the Discord, you know what time it is. Join the Discord. Hit the like button because they trying to cancel your boy on here. You know it. If you were watching the live streams earlier, you seen them trying to cancel me and get me out of here. And then they try to demonetize me and didn't tell me what's going on with that. But again, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I wanted to come on here and show y'all what time it is that we still going strong, baby. I'm standing on my square and we ain't got to let anybody take us off of it. Let's get it. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in index funds. Again, I see you over on the Discord. Take care.